I'm about to show you something that can make you a lot of money that not a lot of people know about. So make sure that you pay close attention because you definitely do not want to miss out on any important details. I need you to understand that in today's video, I will be showing you a method which will only work if you do exactly as I'm doing. So make sure that you follow my very specific instructions. Don't worry, I'm not going to be showing you guys a really difficult method. If you just follow what I'm doing, then you will get it right. I will be walking you through the entire process step by step so that you can start making money with this method as soon as possible. Anyway, let's get back to the main video topic today. The first thing that we want you guys to do is open up g2.com. On this website, you will find that they offer a variety of software. Some you may know of, but most you probably do not. G2.com is a website that allows users to find, compare, and review software products. The site is designed to help businesses find the right software tools to meet their needs. Users can browse software by categories such as marketing, project management, or customer service, and they can also search for specific products by name. Once they find a product they're interested in, they can read reviews from other users to get an idea of how well the product works, what features it offers, and how easy it is to use. The reviews are written by people who have used the products in their own businesses and rate them on various factors. This helps other users to understand the pros and cons of each software and make a better decision before buying. When you are on the website, you can see all of the software and even their ratings, so you can have a gist of how they perform and if they're even efficient. Now, people may overlook its importance, but these ratings actually play a big part for the developers, and most especially the consumers. The thing that we're going to be discussing is actually rating these software and getting compensated for it. You're probably expecting it to be difficult, but it's really not, and we think you're actually going to be surprised. Now, on this website, scroll down and look for the Write a Review section and click on the Write a Review button. What you're going to do is write a review on a particular website or software and get paid for it. As soon as you click on that button, you're going to be taken over to this page right here. And as you can see, there are some steps that you're going to have to follow. The first thing that you're going to have to do is select a software that you want to leave a review on or that you want to rate. And then you're going to proceed to write a review for that chosen software of yours. Then share it on LinkedIn. Then just like that, you're all done with those simple, short and sweet steps. You're going to be able to make money like you've never earned before. Plus, you can do it as many times as you'd like, which means you could also make money as many times as you'd like. So let's dive in deeper. The first step is to choose a role and preferably something you're most familiar with or what you work with the most. In that way, your review will be more accurate and easier for you to write about. Selecting a role from these options will help you choose a specific software much more easily. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you can choose from. So just choose whatever software or work relates to you. For the sake of this video, we're going to choose information technology, and then that should take you here. And again, as an example, let's choose Google Cloud Storage. Since that's what we're most familiar with, and we're sure you guys know just as much as we do about Google. You're then going to see that you've selected one product. You can obviously choose more than one, that's completely fine, and we do recommend that you do. But for the meantime, and again for the sake of today's video, we're just gonna stick with this. Now let's click on Continue, and that should take you to this page that asks you to write a review on the products you've chosen. Before we go ahead with the video, let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for me, in case there are any videos that you want to see in particular. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure that I get as much feedback from you guys as possible. Also, let me know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user, and while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. Okay, so let's head back to the video. Now just click on the review button to finally start writing. But before anything else, you are going to have to create an account on G2 first. So go ahead and do that. And once you create an account, that's when you can really write a review and give your rating and start making money. Just click on this blue button right here, and then you can choose to sign up with your email, LinkedIn, or your Google. It's completely up to you. Once you're all verified and completed in that part, you can move on to the next step. You can now go ahead and start writing your review and just follow us for instructions. Read it honestly and genuinely, and then you're going to proceed to write your review, but first you're going to need a title. Now, bonus tip. Go on Google and then look up reviews on Google Cloud Storage or reviews on whatever software it is that you choose to rate and review, because those reviews will help you make a title for your review and even help you construct a review of your own without having to think about your reviews so hard. Now put in your title. Then once you have a title, you're gonna fill out the following boxes accordingly. What's great about this is since you took the initiative to look through the rest of the reviews, you know what you want to write on yours, which means you can make your review better than the rest. And you never know, you could become a crowd favorite. Our bonus tip also helps out when we want to leave ratings even for that software or apps that we've never even tried in our life before. So that just doubles its power and use. So it's important to take note of that as well. Again, all of this is 100% free. As soon as you submit your review, you're going to get paid just like that. You can do this as many times as you'd like, and we suggest that you do so that you can make money over and over again and accumulate a lot of money until you just have so much of your own money that you can literally do anything that you've always dreamed of. So go ahead and try out today's method and let us know how it works for you in the comments down below. Before we wrap it up, let's do a little recap. The first thing you want to do is go on g2.com, sign up, click on Write a Review, follow the steps in writing a review, and submit that review, and that is basically all you need to remember, and all you need to do. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.